Well, we started the morning off with some sunshine, then we saw the clouds roll in. And the clouds are still hanging out with us right now for 12:23 on our Thursday. A little bit of blue sky over High Point, but for the most part, it looks a little on the grayer side. We are seeing some peaks of sunshine out there. It really depends on where you are, but we are going to eventually see these clouds move out of here. So while we are seeing the cloud cover lingering over much of the Piedmont Triad right now, the sunshine will start to dominate closer to the afternoon. It's pretty similar to what we saw yesterday, where we had some lingering cloud cover in several spots, and then we started to see a lot more sunshine the closer we got to sundown yesterday. Our temperatures are significantly cooler as well, or not necessarily significantly cooler, but it certainly feels cooler. Part of that has to do with lower humidity thanks to our first cold front, as well as just a slight temperature drop from that first cold front. Our second front moving through right now, or this morning, and so that is going to help bring us even more drier air as well as cooler air heading into tomorrow. We're sitting in the low 70s currently in the Triad. Further south, they were in the mid 70s, and then portions of the foothills are now officially in the low 70s as well. Sparta looks like 59 degrees maybe, so a little bit on the cooler side in those higher elevations. Our high temperatures today reached the upper 70s, so again about 5 degrees cooler than we were yesterday afternoon by the time we get to this afternoon. Not only that, we also have a little bit of a wind out there. Our wind gusts are going to be gusting upwards of almost 40 miles an hour by later on this afternoon. Closer to about 4 or 5 o'clock is when we could see some of those strongest gusts arriving. And then we're going to hold on to some breezy conditions even into Friday. So overnight tonight, the winds will relax a little bit. We get to tomorrow afternoon, wind gusts could be up to about 30 miles an hour. Then they start to weaken as we head into the holiday weekend, and it won't be nearly as breezy for us heading into Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday. That second cold front that I mentioned, again, we had one yesterday that moved through already, the second cold front moving through this morning, and then we're going to continue to watch that push out. Once we start to see the drier air filtering behind it, that's when the sun will start to come out for us. And then we're going to hold on to a high pressure system, or watch a high pressure system build as we head into Friday and Saturday, and that'll keep us on the quieter side of things. Humidity is right now in that nice category. By the time this second cold front moves through, we'll be in the refreshing category heading into our Friday and our Saturday. Still going to be windy today, sunshine in the afternoon, lots of sunshine Friday, and then we're watching some rain chances for Sunday into Memorial Day that we'll have a better idea of over the next couple of days.